Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are showing you a bathroom remodel that we completed. In this bathroom remodel, it was a complete gut and redo in order to update the space. We didn't change the layout, just took everything out and replaced it with new updated things. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. It is the first day of this remodel, and here is what the bathroom looks like. The vanity has been removed and the plumbing has been capped. The old tile floor has been removed. Everything has been removed from the bathroom and we are ready for the plumbing rough-in. The plumbing rough-in is now complete. The plumbers also set the tub, which is a Kohler Sterling ensemble tub in biscuit. It is now time for the drywallers to make their repairs. In this particular remodel, they skimmed the whole room since we removed wallpaper. It is a few days later and the tile guys are beginning to install the shower tile. They start by hanging cement board around the shower. The shower tile is complete. We installed Dow tile, Ayers rock, golden ground on the shower walls with a 6-inch band of Marazzi crystal stone ivory mosaic tile. Once the shower was complete, they installed Dow tile, Ayers rock, 13 by 13 tiles in a diagonal pattern on the floor. The vanity we installed was Waypoint 660D in cherry autumn with a matching framed mirror. The vanity countertop is Cambria Fairborn. The plumbing fixtures we installed were Moen, Kingsford, and oil rubbed bronze. Here is the completed bathroom. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.